Hey guys, another day in the garage. I think today we are going to carry on working on the underseal and also this stuff inside the floor. So yeah, at the end of the last video I said I was going to carry on with that, but then I ended up cutting off the front panel. But yeah, we'll crack on with that today. I've actually just met Michael as well, the owner of the Honda. So he came down, he wanted something off his Fiesta. I don't know if I've shown you. It's got a Fiesta parked out here. He wanted something out of it, but he forgot to bring his blooming keys, didn't he? We tried to get in with some welding wire around the door handle, but just couldn't get it in. So yeah, he's gone off to Newport now to get what he wants. So yeah, let's crack on, get some more underseal off this thing. And yeah, I'm talking with people with vans, trying to arrange someone to go and get me some metal as well, so we can actually get doing some more interesting stuff. Because yeah, I'm sure you're bored of just seeing me stood here with a heat gun and a scraper. Yeah, let's crack on anyway. Needs to be done at some point. Okay, so that's me done for today. I've all tidied up and everything. If it looks foggy, that's because it is, because I've swept up and the dust has gone everywhere. So this stuff is horrible to get off, is that bitumen stuff that they put on the inside of the floor. But we've got the back done at one side, and then here's the underside of the car. Don't know how well you can see it, but you've seen already anyway in the time lapse. So yeah, and there's my big tray of sweepings. So there's my foot for scale. It's quite a dustpan full today. So yeah, we're doing all right. Just need to find someone with a van to get me my metal, because I I really don't feel like paying 25 quid for them to deliver it when it's literally 7 miles down the road. So, yeah, we'll have to see what we can do. I've messaged a couple of people. So, yeah, we'll call it here for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Check out the Facebook page. Link will be in the description for that. And if you haven't already, watch the Bingley Hall video if you're going to Bingley Hall. Some information for you there. So, yeah, thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.